Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with one more important and healthy benefit, wherein I'll be showing a recipe which will enhance our complete biochemical profile of our body. It is about Kala Chena. So we all know that it has got lots of nutritional profile and it is very much good for our skin and hair growth. There are different types of chena. They are called as black chena, which is also called as kala chena, and another one is hybrid variety, which is white in color, called as kabuli chena. This is also called as normally called as chickpea, which plays major role as a healthy snack. And one more thing we have to remember here is in our Indian agriculture, it has taken 67% yield, and hence we can also consume the tender this chickpea beans as a piece, and also the soaked chickpeas will be used for preparing chole masala and all other varieties of masala. Normally it is prepared as prasadam in the form of usli. Since this chickpea contains lots of protein, fibers, and carbohydrates, it also contains vitamins like B6, C, folate, niacin, riboflavin. Along with vitamins, it also has got lots of minerals like manganese, phosphorus, iron, copper. As I said, it changes the metabolic profile of our body. It maintains the biochemical profile of our body by boosting the immune system, and also it increases the muscle mass. That is why people who go to gym will regularly eat this sprouted chickpeas. It also regulates diabetes. And along with this health benefit, it also helps in enhancing hair growth, the glowness of the skin, and also in the growth of the healthy nail. From time immemorial, this, as I said, it is grown widely in Indian agriculture. It adjusts with our body and metabolism very nicely, so we can consume it in various forms. Since the time of Ayurveda, it is considered as a super source of protein, wherein it is said that it balances all three vata, kapha, and pitta, and which acts as a beneficiary effect, which gives healthy benefit to the body. As I said, this chickpea will be usually consumed in a variety of ways, from the tender pea to the sprouted peas. So, one thing we have to note here is instead of this dry chickpea, the soaked one will be having more of health benefits. It increases the immune system, and also it gives good physical strength to the body. And along with this, whenever it is soaked, it gets digested in our body very easily. I have been always telling in my video that any seed, if it gets sprouted, its nutritional profile will be doubled. So this chickpea, especially if you consume 1 cup of sprouted seeds, we'll get 154 calories, 86 carbohydrates, and 43 calories of proteins, and also fat 25. So I'll be showing the recipe now, wherein you have to soak the wash chickpea nicely and soak in water overnight. If you just close it and keep, in 2 days you will be getting nicely sprouted seeds like this. So this should be washed nicely once, and then should be dried in sunlight. So this one another benefit of this is it can be given to small children as well, because children usually dislike to eat all these kinds of peas and all. So after 2 days you can see that the seeds have become like this. It should be grinded to nice powder. If you little bit roast it, and once it cools down, if you grind it, it becomes a nice powder. Since the peel or the skin is very thick, you have to grind it to a nice powder. Then you have to filter it so that all the rough particles will go, and you have to grind the sugar as well to get a powdered sugar, so that it will mix with this powder very nicely. You have to roast the powder so that all the raw smell will go, and then have to add sugar. It's always better to add very little bit of sugar, which gives a little sweet tinge to the sweet what we are preparing. One thing we have to remember is it for improving the health profile we are using this, so always it is better to use very little sugar and keep roasting. After that, once the raw smell is gone, you can add little ghee or butter or oil. Then once it reaches this consistency, you can prepare balls out of it. You can also use milk while preparing the balls. So please, all of you, prepare this at home. Especially children will like it, and also it gives lots of nutritional profile to their body. Everybody, you can give one sweet to your kid daily to keep them healthy. I have tried this at home. All of you also try it. Also, don't forget to watch, share and subscribe my channel. Do it yourself, and also let me know your opinion in the form of comments. That will be very helpful and also very motivating for me to make more and more videos. Don't forget to subscribe with bell icon, that will notify you with my further videos. Thank you all.